In this video, I'll show you how to create a Squarespace website. Start by visiting Squarespace and creating an account. Once you've signed up, click the option to create a new website. Squarespace will ask a few questions about the type of website you want to build, such as a business website, portfolio, blog, online store, or personal site. Next, choose a website template. Squarespace offers professionally designed templates that you can customize later. Browse through the available options and select the one that best matches your goals and style. After that, enter a name for your website and complete the initial setup process. Squarespace will create your new site and take you to the website editor. Now, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The main menu typically includes options for pages, design, commerce, marketing, analytics, and settings. Most of your website building tasks will be completed from these sections. Next, click Pages and begin creating the pages your website needs. Common pages include Home, About, Services, Contact, Blog, and Pricing. Click the plus icon to add a new page and choose the appropriate page type. After that, edit the content on each page. Click any text area to replace the sample content with your own information. Update headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, and other elements to match your brand or project. Now, customize your website's design. Open the design section and adjust colors, fonts, spacing, layouts, and other visual settings. Squarespace allows you to make site-wide changes so your branding remains consistent across every page. Next, upload your own images and media. Replace placeholder images with photos, graphics, logos, and videos that represent your business or content. High-quality visuals can make a significant difference in the appearance of your website. After that, configure your navigation menu. Return to the Pages section and organize your pages in the order you want visitors to see them. The navigation menu updates automatically based on your page structure. Now, connect your domain name. Open Settings and select Domains. If you already own a domain, follow the instructions to connect it. If you don't have one yet, you can purchase a domain through Squarespace or another domain registrar. Next, review your website on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Squarespace templates are responsive, but it's still important to check that all content displays correctly across different screen sizes. After that, configure any additional features you need. You can set up contact forms, blogging tools, online stores, appointment scheduling, email marketing integrations, and other business features depending on your goals. Once you're satisfied with your website, click Publish. Your site will become publicly available to visitors using your connected domain. Finally, continue updating your content regularly and monitor your website's performance using the analytics tools available within Squarespace. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Squarespace website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.